Trouble while traveling. We all love traveling. However, sometimes we have to face some unexpected troubles during our trip. Let's watch the video to see what problems the characters have. Losing the phone.
Hello?
Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
I want to go to the art museum. Is it far from here?
Not really. Do you want me to call a taxi for you?
Can I go there by bus?
Sure. There is a bus terminal nearby. You can go straight ahead, then turn left. It's only 5 minutes walking.
Thank you.
Have a good day, sir.
Let's go, Lily. There is a bus terminal ahead. It is so crowded, isn't it?
Yes. Be careful with your stuff.
Don't worry. This city is safe. Look, that's the art museum.
I booked 2 tickets online.
Perfect. The line is longer than we thought.
Yeah, dozens of people are queuing up to get tickets.
Quickly, the entering gate is over there.
I want to take a picture with it. Can you help me? My phone is running out of battery. Can we use yours?
Absolutely. Oh my God, Lily. Do you keep my phone? Did I give it to you?
No. What's up? I haven't seen your phone since we left the hotel.
Oh my God. So where is it?
Did you bring it along with you?
Yes, absolutely. I remember I checked the time at the front desk.
I told you need to be careful with your stuff.
I did, but...
What should we do now?
Can I borrow your phone? I will call my phone.
I think it doesn't work anyway. Here.
Hope that there is someone to pick it up.
Oh, it's ringing.
But no one picks it up.
I think you forgot it at the hotel.
No, I'm sure I brought it with me. Oh, it's a call from my phone.
Calm down. Let me pick it up. Hello? Hi. Is it Lily? Yes, it's me. Hi. I saw your missed call on this phone. A man forgot it on the bus. I am keeping it for him. So if you know where he is, please let me know. Then I will bring it for him.
Give me the phone. Let me talk with her. Hello, I'm James, the phone owner. Thank you so much for contacting me. I'm at the art museum. Are you near there? I will come to meet you.
Yes, I am living nearby there. But I can come to give it back to you.
Thank you so much. You saved my life.
You are welcome. I don't have a ticket, so wait for me at the entrance gate.
Sure. Thank you. Being cheated. Good evening, madam. May I help you?
Hi, I would like to check in, please.
Certainly. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I have. It's in the name of Yulia Johnson.
Okay. Please wait for me for a few minutes. I will check it quickly.
Everything is okay?
No, madam. There is no reservation under that name. Do you have any mistakes in booking?
Oh, I don't know. I booked it through a travel agency.
Can I have their name, please? Maybe the reservation is under that company name.
It's the Golden Kite.
I'm so sorry. We cannot find that name as well. Could you please try to call your agent to ask about the problem, please?
Sure. Oh my God! They don't pick up my phone.
I'm so sorry.
Oh my God! I think I was cheated. I haven't faced this situation before. I don't know what to do. Is there any empty room at your hotel?
Unfortunately not. But we have another branch, which is 5 kilometers from here. Do you want to get one room there?
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.